Langdon's population is about 1,850 people. We're in the far northeast corner of North Dakota. We're 17 miles from the international border and 55 miles west of the Minnesota border. Langdon, is known for its Cold War era of being the anti-ballistic missile system located in our area at that time. Agriculture is a huge portion of our community. I mean, that's what kind of keeps us alive, keeps driving our area.
Back in 2014, when we started working with the city of Langdon, the city was facing a couple of real big decisions. It started with their water treatment and supply, so the distribution to the residents. But they had challenges on top of that, including infrastructure, water and sewer, street situation. And so really the first thing that the city did was try to figure out what their needs are, what does this look like from a cost standpoint, and kind of what are our priorities? Because they had more needs than they had resources available.
The streets right now are in really, I would say, poor condition. It's been probably 30 years since we've actually had a street project in town. They pretty much needed an overhaul. The pavement is receding, it's down to the dirt in places. It's just deteriorated so bad. Curb and gutter is falling apart. The water doesn't flow properly. That is one thing that is probably our biggest complaint is when are you going to do something with our streets?
This citywide street project encompasses about 80% of the streets in town, and the city decided it's time to start and get this project moving forward, including reconstruction of the streets from ground zero, taking out what's there, rebuilding the base, some curb and gutter replacement in spots, and then a brand new asphalt pavement in those locations. So we've had one season of construction, and we've got 2 more planned because of the enormity of the project.
It's been a very positive experience with Moore. Every time we have a question, it gets answered promptly. I will say it's for Andrew. Andrew's gone above and beyond for us.
Working with Moore Engineer over the years, it's like working with people you work with every day. Moore Engineering doesn't have an office right here in Langdon, but it's almost like they do. They're here when we call them. They're right there to help you out with whatever issue you have or even to celebrate the conquerors that we've maintained.
So our mission statement, improving lives by building strong communities, I think how we have been able to demonstrate that in Langdon is provide the city of Langdon and the decision makers the expertise that they need to make well-informed decisions, to stretch their resources as far as possible, to help them through grant applications and permitting situations, just bringing the expertise to them that they don't have on staff. And it's going to improve life for the residents of that community, and they can be proud of it when they're all said and done.
Moore's been really easy to approach. They've made sure our paperwork has been on time. They've found different funding sources for us. I mean, things that we weren't aware of. They've gone above and beyond in making sure that we do have the resources that we need.
For me, I'm born and raised here and have a lot of passion for the city of Langdon and really like the work that we're doing for Langdon, and having Moore Engineering backing us through this has just been a good process.
They've improved our quality of life. I mean, by getting us what we need for our streets and our infrastructure, our water, our sewer lines, I mean, that just makes everybody have a better life, and it keeps our community moving forward.